What's up guys, hope you are doing well. Today in this video I am going to unbox MI POCO Fuel Thermoflask, and I ordered it from MI India, and today I have been delivered. And without further ado, let's unbox it. And by the time I'm unboxing, let me say you that it cost rupees 999. I ordered it on prepaid mode. As you can see, the product is lying here. It is even inside the box. There is another box, and it is packed nicely, I am to say. Yes. Here is the product. And this side you can see there is written POCO FL Thermoflask, and for the movers, means those if you are the regular traveler or office goers, then this flask is useful for you. And not only that, if you go to college, school, you can carry this thermoflask to carry hot something that is hot, or anything or any liquid that is hot, or if you want to carry any liquid that is you want to dim them as cold, okay, you can carry them in this flask. Okay, as it is, you can see this side it is written the POCO in the thermoflask for the movers here, and here it is written the smart suction grip. It's having the smart suction grip, means that if you put it or keep it on somewhere, it is either rubbering something, and that will sucks the air and will take a grip and will not fall easily. It is completely. And here it is given manufactured by Artiart Limited, RM503 blog, and Centavian Science and Technology Park. It is manufactured and imported by Gift Mart Detain Flatted Factory Complex, Jhandewalan, New Delhi. It is imported by that. Now here comparison country, you can here it is mentioned for the consumer complaint and contact number mentioned, and it is written that POCO Fuel Thermoflask, product name is Thermoflask, and its cost rupees 1,999. But here I got it for rupees 999. I think there was a discount. Okay, and the color is black, capacity is 400 ml. Get it learned that nowhere I could see in the specification portion that what is the capacity of the product is. It was not mentioned, but here it is mentioned the capacity is 400 ml. Let's check it out whether the product is inside or not. As you can see that this product is inside the box, and it is packed with kind of that black paper. Dust is here. As you can see that it's automatically getting stick to the surface, and it will not taking a grip, and it will not fall easily. Let's open it. This is plastic, made of plastic, but it is rubber. Okay, and here this is the interim part of the flask, and it's the content, the capacity of this inner part is the 400 ml, and also it is completely odorless and it will not smell because it's having this flask sports a super clean interior flushed, and it is to keep unpleasant smell and also stubborn stains at bay. Okay, so that's it in this video, and if you have any queries or if you want to know anything, please let me know in the comment section below, and please do subscribe and like this video and share.